Hello everyone, this is Jennifer. So we are going to continue with the matrices chapter. So our next question, if A is equal to minus 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, minus 2, 1, 1, and you have your B matrix, they are telling us to verify something. That is A plus B the whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. So first let us find out A plus B. So first put your A matrices, then your B matrices. Then you're supposed to add both. So minus 1 plus minus 4. So plus into minus will become minus, minus into minus plus. So you'll take the higher digit sign, which is minus, and you'll add both numbers, which is 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. So at the same way, you're supposed to add each digit with the other digit, because both the matrices are of the form 3 into 3. So which is 3 rows into 3 columns. So add each number with the other number of the other matrices. So finally you get your A plus B the whole dash matrix, which is minus 5, 6, minus 1, 3, 9, 4, minus 2, 9 and 2. Now we found out the A plus B matrices. Now let us find out the individual matrix, which is A dash and B dash. So let us find out the A dash. How basically you do the A dash is, so you're basically supposed to find out the A transpose, which is A dash. So while you're doing A dash, basically you're interchanging the numbers in the rows to columns and the numbers in the columns to rows. So for example, minus 1, 2, 3. So this is in the first column. You make it as, this is in the first row in A matrix. In A dash it will become the first column. So if you can see here, it has become the first column, minus 1, 2 and 3. And if you see the second row, which is 5, 7 and 9, will become the second column in A dash, which is 5, 7 and 9. And the third row, minus 2, 1 and 1, come the third column, which is minus 2, 1 and 1. The same way you're supposed to do the B dash, which is the B transpose. So this will become, the first row will become the first column, the second row will become the second column, the third row will become the third column. Now you're supposed to add your A dash plus B dash. So A dash plus B dash, the same way however we had, because both the matrices are of the form 3 into 3. So if you add each number with the other number of the matrix, you get minus 5, 6, minus 1, 3, 9, 4, minus 2, 9 and 2. So if you see here, A plus B dash, A plus B the whole dash and A dash plus B dash, both are equal from equation 1 and 2. So from equation 1 and 2, A plus B the whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. So our next question, which is given, A matrices is given and you have your B matrices. Find A plus B the whole dash and B dash into A dash. Here it is not plus, but it is the multiplication. So multiplication goes a little different way. So you have your A matrix and you have your B matrix. First let us find out A into B. So A matrix and B matrix. A into B, so A into B. So if you see here, so you can multiply two matrix only when the number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. So how many columns do we have in the first matrix? 3 columns. And how many rows we have in the second matrix? 3. So if they are equal, then we can multiply. So how do you basically multiply is 4 into 2, which is your first row first number into the second matrix first number, okay, and the first column. So row into the column, that is how you go each by each. So row into column, row into column, row into column. So that is how you go. 4 into 2 plus 2 into minus 3 plus 1 minus 1 into minus 1. So you get your first number, which is 8 minus 6 plus 1, which is equal to 3. In the same way, your second number in the first row, which is 3 into 3 plus minus 7 in sorry, 3 into 2, minus 7 into minus 3, 1 into minus 1, which we get the second row's first column. Second row's first number. So you go row by row. First row, first number. Again first row with the second column, you get your second number. Second row with the first column, you get your second row, and second row with the second column, you get your second number in the second row. So by this we get to know, we get a matrix which is of the form 2 into 2. Okay, so if you multiply, beginning itself we'll get to know this. Here we have 3 columns, and here we have 3 rows. So the first matrix is of the form 2 into 3, and the second matrix is of the form 3 into 2. So the resultant matrix will be of the form 2 into 2, which is 2 rows and 2 columns. So that is how you multiply. And the next one we are supposed to find out is A dash and B dash. Only when we find out A dash and B dash, we can find out B dash into A dash. However they give, that is how the order you're supposed to go. You cannot multiply it in different way assuming we will get both the numbers as same. No, if they tell B dash into A dash, you're supposed to multiply. The first matrix will be B dash, second matrix will be A dash. So first let us find out the B dash. So if you see here, the B matrix is 2, 3, minus 3, 0, minus 1 and 5. So the rows, so the columns will convert into rows and the rows will convert into columns. So your first column is 2, minus 3 and minus 1, which will get converted into the row, which is 2, minus 3 and minus 1. A second column is 3, 0, 5, which will get converted into the second row, which is 3, 0, 5. So same way, you're just interchanging your rows into columns and your columns into row. And when you multiply this again, so you will multiply this, which you will get as 2 into 4 plus minus 3 into 2 plus minus 1 into minus 1. So if you multiply in the same order, we get the matrix of P dash into A dash to be 3, 26, 7 and 14. Therefore, from the equation 1 and 2, we get verified that the given above equation are true. So moving on to our next question. So our next question, if A, they have given the A matrix and the B matrix. So the A matrix is of the form 2 into 3 and the B matrix is of the form 3 into 2, so which is rows into columns. So now you're supposed to verify A plus B the whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. So you're supposed to find out the B dash, which is just reversing your columns into rows and the rows into columns. Then you find out A plus B, okay, and you just add both the numbers and you get A plus B. Now you're supposed to reverse it so that you'll get A plus B the whole dash. So just reversing the columns into rows and the rows into columns. Now you have your A dash, we found A dash and B dash. Now what are we supposed to do is A dash plus B dash. So whatever we have got, the transpose matrix, just add both the transpose matrix. So if you add it, the resultant figure we get, therefore we hence prove that A plus B the whole dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. So if A is equal to, they have given A matrix and they have given B matrix, prove that A into B the whole dash is equal to B dash plus A dash. So you have your A matrix and you have a B matrix, A into B. So if you see, A matrix has, the order of the matrix is 3 into 2 and the B matrix order is 2 into 3. So the resultant matrix will have 3 into 3, okay. So basically you're multiplying the rows into columns and the rows into columns. So the resultant matrix, when you multiply, you get the resultant matrix of A into B dash is equal to 8, 34, 26, minus 8, minus 23, minus 23, 7, 38 and 25. Now they are supposed to find out the B dash and A dash, just the transpose of the B matrix and the A matrix, and B dash into A dash. So we have here the matrix order is 3 into 2, and the matrix order of the other one is 2 into 3. So the resultant matrix will be of 3 into 3. So by this we get to know that both the numbers are equal of the first equation and the second equation. Therefore, hence it is verified AB the whole dash is equal to B dash into A dash. Thank you everyone.